This is the neurological assessment of my patient Molly, 36-year-old female who's 6 months pregnant, otherwise very good health. Hello Molly, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good. My name's Kevin, I'm your nurse. We're going to just do this routine assessment.
Okay.
Tell me about your day so far.
It's been good. Yeah. Got good sleep and feeling pretty good. Spent time with my kid today, so yeah.
Okay. So what I'm doing in routine conversation with Molly is I'm assessing her physical appearance, hygiene, her affect, her responses, facial expressions, body language, communication, judgment, insight, cognition abilities, things of that nature. All that can be done during normal conversation. Molly, I'm going to ask you for some simple exercises today. Can you count backwards from 97 to 91 for me?
97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91.
Very good, thank you. Can you raise your right hand for me? How about your left foot? And how about your left hand? And now your right foot. Thank you very much. All right. I'm going to ask you to draw a couple things for me today.
Okay.
Go ahead and draw a triangle for me.
All right.
And now a circle. And how about draw a square around both of those? Excellent, thank you very much. All right, we're going to do another exercise right now. And I'm going to take this cotton swab. I'm going to move it around your skin. And I want you to tell me what it feels like, when you can feel it, and what it feels like. All right, I'm going to start down here. Tell me when you can feel it.
I can feel it.
What does that feel like to you?
Soft, light tickle.
Okay.
Same thing. Yep, same thing. Yep.
Okay, I'll check the cranial nerves as I do this.
Yep, right there.
Is that painful at all?
Nope.
Can you still feel it?
Yep, yep, same feeling. Yep.
Okay, excellent.
Thank you.
I'm going to do one more, and you see this is a normal everyday toothpick. I'm going to use the sharp side as well as the blunt side. And I want you to tell me is that if it's sharp or painful.
That's sharp. Sharp. Nope. Dull. Dull. Sharp. Yep, sharp. Dull. Dull. Sharp. Sharp. Dull. Dull.
Very good. Now we just continue this
Sharp.
closer to the body.
Sharp. Dull.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Now I'm going to check the temperature. 2 glasses of water. One is hot and one is cold. Go ahead and feel that in your hand for me.
This one's hot.
Okay. And what does that one feel like?
This one feels cold.
Thank you very much. All right, now I'm going to feel your hands. I'm going to hold them in 3 different positions. I have up, I have neutral, and I have down. You understand that? Go ahead and close your eyes for me. Tell me which direction you think I'm holding them.
Down. Neutral. Up.
Okay, I'm going to do the same with your feet.
Up. Down. Neutral.
Very good. Now we'll continue with all 4 limbs. All right. I'm going to hold, and then I would hold familiar objects in the patient's hands. Go ahead and close your eyes for me, Molly. See if you can tell me what this object is. You can manipulate it and feel it.
A pen.
Okay, very good. Go ahead and feel this object. Tell me what you think that might be.
Maybe a Kleenex.
Okay, very good. Thank you. You can use items such as keys or anything like that also. All right. want you to hold out your hand for me. I'm going to do 2 points of touch with the pointy object.
Okay.
And I'm going to get closer together. I want you to tell me when you think I'm closest at the same point. Go ahead and close your eyes for me.
Same point.
Okay, other hand for me.
Same point.
Okay, excellent. I'm going to go ahead and face you now.
Okay.
Why don't you hold your hands out straight at your sides like an airplane? All right. I want you to touch your finger to your nose with your index finger, either hand. Very good. Now the other hand. And go ahead and keep alternating your arms with your eyes closed. Excellent. And now I want you to touch your nose to my. Go ahead and touch your nose one more time. And now touch my finger. Excellent. Now try the other hand. Keep doing that. All right. You're doing great. Now I'm going to move my finger. Do that. Your nose to my finger. Okay. Very good. Now I want you to take, like you're going to cross your legs, if you can do that. And now slide your heel along your shin. And do that with both sides. Excellent. Okay. One side. Now we're going to check your reflexes. And I don't have a reflex hammer, so we're going to use this. So go ahead and relax your hand. We're going to go about 2 centimeters above the bicep. And I'm looking for a reflex. I'll hold it about right here. Good. And what I'm looking for, I can categorize it as brisk, slow, or non-existent. So I can do the right above here in the wrist also. Check that reflex, and I check both sides. Again, brisk, slow, or non-responsive. And I do that also at the tricep. So I do the wrist, bicep, tricep, below the patella. Go ahead and relax your knee. And then I'll have you slide back just a little bit. Ideally, we'd be sitting up so your leg is suspended. Okay. And then the Achilles also. Okay, excellent. Other tests we can do to isolate the cranial nerves, such as the standard eye test, like you might do at the DMV, the pupil reaction gaze, facial expressions. Someone can describe tastes and hearing tests. So thank you for doing these tests. Everything checks out okay. Do you have any questions?
Nope, I'm pretty good.
All right, thank you very much.